Hello everybody, I am Dhanashri and welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to review this Agaro HC8001 chopstick curler. It is called so because it is a very thin curler and you use it mostly to achieve tight curls. Since I use this kind of a curler very occasionally, I did not want to spend 3000 or 4000 rupees on Iconic or such brands. So I was searching for a nice affordable curler and I came across this. And honestly, the first thing that attracted me was that it comes with a 2-year warranty. So it comes with a warranty card. If anything goes wrong, you can just contact them and replace it. This for around 750 rupees or so. I'll give the link of this product in the description box. Now, honestly, up until now, it has worked very smoothly, very nicely. So I'll list all the pros and cons. So let's first start with the pros. So first pro, as I said, it comes with a 2-year warranty. This rod is really thin. It is ceramic coated, so it ensures the even distribution of heat. Since it is very thin, you can really achieve really nice tight curls using this if that is your requirement. And the diameter of this is 10 millimeters if you want to know. Then there is this cool tip here at the top, so you can hold it like this while working and it's sort of like a heat protection. There is this on and off switch here, so you can switch it on and off at your ease. The rod is so this cable is pretty long. I'll just show you. It's not too long, it's not too short, it's just enough. I don't think you'll face a problem while you're working with it. And it comes with a 360-degree swivel cord, so you can use it in any direction that you like. Another best thing about this, so whenever you buy, this is my experience, that whenever you buy products that are not from reputed brands like Iconics and Remington, these products do not heat up instantly. Like they take a lot of time to get heated up and you lose on a lot of time, which you don't generally have. But I did not face this problem with this curler. It heats up pretty quickly. In a few seconds only it will heat up, and I think the maximum temperature it reaches is 180 degrees, and I think for tight curls that is enough temperature because anyways you're going to take thin strands to work with, so this is 180 degrees is I think enough for the purpose. I recently used this curler in one of my recent videos, that is Kashi Bai look from Bajirao Mastani, and therein I used this to create that sort of a messy curly look in the front, and it worked pretty nicely. My dummy's hair is very long, so I could accommodate the entire hair strand on this rod. So this the length of this rod is also pretty nice. I find it very budget friendly. It will come for 700 to 800 rupees and I think that is a decent amount, especially when products come with a warranty. Now let's move on to the cons. Now there are only 2 cons with this that I've found. One is hardware quality. So this plastic thing, it doesn't look too durable. So if you put something heavyweight on it, or if you keep on dropping it, you drop it a couple of times simultaneously, I think it will break. I'm not sure, but it feels very light and doesn't feel as durable. But then again, hardware adds to the cost, so the better product you buy, the better hardware quality you get. Another con with this is that there are no temperature settings on this, so in case you're working with very fragile, delicate hair, then you won't be able to keep the temperature to a minimum or so. So those are the only 2 cons that I've found in this, but otherwise this has worked pretty fine so far and I really like it. So I have plugged this in and I'm going to switch it on now. We'll wait for a few seconds for it to get heated up. So in a few seconds only it got heated up and now we are good to go. So I'm going to show you a demo on a few strands of my hair. You can, depending on the thickness of your hair, you can hold it for 7 to 10 seconds. See, this is a really nice curl. I hope you can see it. It's beautiful. So I really hope this review was helpful to you. Let me know if you have any more questions. I'll be happy to help. Please take care of yourself, take care of your family, especially during times like these. Do visit my channel for more videos. I make makeup, hairstyle videos and other reviews like these. So make sure to check that out. And until then, please take care and see you soon. Bye. Mwah.